converting a discontinuous grouped frequency distribution table to a continuous grouped frequency distribution table. So what is a discontinuous grouped frequency distribution table? So discontinuous table is this. This is an example. So we have 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41. Can you see this? The upper limit and the lower limit are not matching. So this is an example of discontinuous. Okay, so this we need to convert it to continuous. So let's understand the scenario why we need to do that. Okay, so this is the question. Let us now consider the following frequency distribution table, which gives the weight of 38 students. So there are 38 kids of a class. If two new students of weights 35.5 kg and 40.5 kg are added in this class, then in which interval will we include them? 35.5. See, 35 ends over here, 36 starts over here. So should I go with the first or the second? Who decides that? Right? So we don't know exactly where to go. And what about 40.5 or 40.4? Forget about 5. What about 3? What about 2? Maybe 5 you can decide. 30.5, where should it go? And what if the data are like, 30 to 35 and some 50 to so on and so forth? So what should we do? How to handle such a scenario? We need to convert this kind of table, right, grouping to a continuous. So what is the procedure? Find the difference between the upper limit of a class and the lower limit of its succeeding class. So we have 30 and 36. So this is the upper limit and this is the lower limit. So 35 and 36. We need to find the difference. Okay. And then add this difference to each of the and take the average. I forgot to mention it. Take average. Find the difference and then take the average. Or divide by 2 to be frank. That's more. Not take average, sorry. Divide by 2. Then add this difference to each of the upper limit and subtract the same from each of the lower limit. So let me show and explain it to you guys. So first thing is the difference. Difference between succeeding lower limit of a class minus upper limit of previous class. So I'll take say 45 and 46, right? So this is preceding upper limit and succeeding lower limit. So 46 minus 45 is 1, and then we have to divide this. So the number will be half. So we need to, so this is your weight in kg and number of students. So that's your frequency basically. So this is what we should be doing. So 31 minus half, that is 30.5. And the next one will be 35.5. We should keep on subtracting from the lower limit. This will be 40.5, then 45.5, 50.5. So I hope you guys got the picture. Then this will be 55.5, 60.5, 65.5, 70.5, and that's it. And we should add to the upper limit. So upper limit will be 35.5. Can you see that? Now it became continuous. 40 plus 0.5 is 40.5, 45.5, 55.5, 55.5, 60.5, 65.5, 70.5 and 75.5, and we have the frequency 9, 5, 14, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, and the total is 38. The frequency will not change, that will remain the same, and this is how we convert discontinuous to continuous, right? So please pause and you have to write down all of it, maybe not the question, an example and the procedure at least.